In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Stripe Sandbox account. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard using your regular account credentials. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct organization if you manage multiple accounts, and complete any required two-factor authentication so you can access the dashboard without interruption. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main navigation and the account name displayed in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the account name or the account picker in that top left area. This opens a drop-down where you can switch between live accounts and Sandbox environments. Look for the option labeled Sandboxes, or in some interfaces, you might see a direct Create Sandbox link. Selecting Sandboxes brings up the Sandbox Management view, which is where you'll create and manage isolated test environments. Next, choose a clear descriptive name for your new sandbox. A good name helps your team instantly know the sandbox purpose. Examples like staging, UAT, or QA, followed by a date or feature name, work well. Avoid using real customer or production identifiers in the sandbox name to keep test data separate and understandable. After naming your sandbox, decide how you want it configured. You have two choices: copy your account or create from scratch. Choosing to copy your account clones your live setup, including settings, capabilities, and connected integrations. This is useful when you want a realistic testing ground that mirrors production behavior. On the other hand, creating from scratch gives you a clean container with default settings. Ideal when you need a controlled space to test new features without inherited configurations. Consider the trade-offs. Copied sandboxes save time configuring webhooks, test products, or payment methods, but may include assumptions from production that you don't want in a fresh test. Blank sandboxes avoid that, but require manual setup of any capabilities or test data you need. When you've made your choice and are satisfied with the name and configuration, click the Create Sandbox button. The platform will provision the environment, which may take a few moments. Once the sandbox is created, you'll be able to switch into it from the account picker, access its API keys, and begin testing with Stripe's test card numbers and simulated events. Remember to communicate the sandbox details with your team and document any differences from production so testing stays organized and effective.